Hey everyone, and welcome back to ASK Beauty and More. I'm Stacy, and today I'm going to be filming a first impressions and wear test on the new Bad Gal Bang mascara by Benefit. So this mascara has received a lot of hype, and I'm going to be giving you my 100% honest review on the Benefit Bad Gal Bang mascara. Any product I review, you can count on getting 100% honest reviews from me because that's just how I roll. If I don't like a product, I'm going to tell you I don't like it, and I'm also going to tell you why I don't like it. And if I really love a product, I'll tell you, and I'll also tell you why I really love that product. What about that product really stands out? So that's a really long spiel to say, let's try out this mascara. So there's the packaging. Just says Bad Gal Bang. And on the back, it says 36-hour full blast volume. I don't know who would be wearing mascara for 36 straight hours, but hey, if you're looking for a 36-hour mascara, this one claims to be the one. I probably will not, certainly will not be doing a 36-hour wear test, but I will try to get at least 8 hours in to see if there is any flaking or running or anything of that nature. I do believe this is supposed to be waterproof, water resistant. It says water resistant. So this is supposed to have out of this world technology. This is supposed to have some type of aero particles that they use in space suits. So I don't know about all of that, but we'll see how out of this world we think it is after we apply it. Okay, so here is the mascara tube outside of the box. And I really like this packaging. It's soft and smooth, almost rubbery feeling, but I really like this packaging. It's super cute and sleek. Looks nice. Okay, here is the wand. If you saw my haul video, you've already seen what the packaging and the wand looks like, but this is what the wand looks like. It kind of comes down. It's thicker up here, and then it kind of comes down at the tip. Gets skinnier at the tip. The bristles on this one does not look very long, but this is supposed to give you length and volume. It looks like quite a bit of product comes off on the wand, and that's a little bit concerning for me because a lot of times when that happens, it means it's a really wet formula, and a lot of times with really wet formulas, my lashes can get really clumpy and not in a good way. But never judge a book by its cover. Let's apply this to my lashes and see what we think. I have curled my lashes on this eye, my right eye, and I have not curled them on this eye to see how it will perform on its own. Okay, here it is with one coat. Okay, so this is the eye that I had curled the lashes before applying the mascara. This one I had not. I do believe it looks better on this eye, in my opinion. For some reason, I have no idea why, but for some reason on this eye, it got more clumpy than it did on this eye. And the more that I tried to brush it out and comb it out and get the clumps out, just the more clumpy it got. And I was afraid of that because it is a really wet formula. So if you don't like that type of mascara with really wet formulas, you probably will not like this one, unfortunately. I do believe that it has made my lashes look longer than they naturally are. As far as volume, yeah, it gave volume, but not necessarily in a good way because it just got really clumpy. Like it looks like I only have a few eyelashes on this eye and they're really thick because they just clumped together. So I don't know. I'm kind of on the fence about it. It's not bad. It's not a bad mascara by any means. But is it out of this world? Well, in my opinion, it's nothing extraordinary. It's a nice mascara, but it's not anything extraordinary or amazing. And in my opinion, you can find mascaras at the drugstore that are just as good, if not even better. This is a $24 mascara. They do have a travel size you can purchase for $12, which is half half the size, basically half the size. And it is half the price, but you can get full-size drugstore mascaras for 10 or less. You can even get some good ones for $5, $6, $7. So that's my thoughts for now. I will come back in a few hours and see if there's any difference, see if it has ran or flaked any at all, and let you guys know my final thoughts then. So I will see you all shortly. Hey guys, I am back for my end of the day check-in. I'm so tired tonight, guys. It is 11 o'clock, and I think I forgot to mention when I put the mascara on, it was around 1 o'clock. So it has been on about 10 hours now. And let's ignore the rest of my makeup. I was just watching Moana with my 4-year-old, and I got a little teary-eyed at the grandma scene. I always do. We've watched it several times. We've watched it several times, and I still get teary-eyed during the grandma scenes. But onto the mascara. This is what it's looking like. So it looks about the same as it did when I first put it on. I had curled these lashes and not these. And I believe the curl has fallen, which is typical for any mascara for me because my eyelashes are straight as a stick and I can curl them for hours and they will still fall flat by the end of the day. I'm not sure if you guys can hear, but it is pouring the rain outside right now. Pouring, absolutely pouring. And it is so windy. I'm just filming this check-in on my phone, so if it's really shaky, I apologize. My thoughts are pretty much the same as they were earlier. I like the mascara, but it's not amazing. I think that you can find drugstore mascaras that are just as good, if not even better. So there you have it. That's my thoughts on it. I hope you found this review helpful and or enjoyable. And if you did, please be sure and give the video a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. I would really appreciate that and would love to have you all as part of my YouTube family. And that's it for this one, guys. I will see you in the next one. Bye.